For these full arch implant treatments, one of the most common questions we get is, am I going to feel pain? We always make sure that we talk about different sedation options, from the most mild to fully asleep, so that you are in the level that you're comfortable with and that you have no pain during the procedure. Another common question we get is, how long does the procedure take? The procedure itself, we've planned ahead of time, so it can be very quick, and you're in and out of the office within a couple of hours. Once you leave, you're in a set of temporaries that you're using to get used to it, that you can get a feel of, make sure you like the aesthetics of, that you can talk well in, and you live in that for about 2 to 3 months so that you can be adjusted to it. And then we use that design and we change it out to your final prosthesis, which is made out of a strong porcelain-based material. And with that one, right away you can start chewing and eating the foods you love again. The last question we often get is, what is the cost going to be? And one of the biggest fear is surprise costs. So we always make sure that once we've decided on the right plan for you, we sit down and we discuss all-in costs. From start to finish, here's what the charge will be. And if there's any hiccups or bumps in the road, we always make sure that we've stuck to the quote that we've given you. We understand with these procedures, you're gonna have several questions. And we love to sit down and discuss all of those options with you. And we often encourage you to bring in family members so we can all have an open dialogue together. By the time the treatment is finished, our patients are always glad and excited that they went ahead with the process. And it's always such a great joy to see them come back and share their new smile with all of us.